Before I get into my review, I want to make it known that I have read the book. I bought this after I learned that Angelina Jolie was directing, and I will be talking about it during this review. If you are okay with that, I will proceed. Thank you. Unbroken. In my opinion, it's a pretty good movie. The story, based on a true story, tells part of Louis Zamperini's extraordinary life, based on the book Unbroken by Laura Hillenbrand. Focus is put on his time during the war. It's been a while since I finished the book, but I do remember it pretty well, and it was interesting but also very disturbing. The part that sticks out to me most is this part a ways in, when we get like a montage description of when the bird was torturing him. And because I'm a very visual person, I saw in my head images of him being tortured, and it got to the point where I basically had to set the book down to remove myself emotionally from the material because I am sensitive and I just couldn't take it. And I remember my mom saying to me, how do you plan to watch this film if you can't even read about the material? And my response was, I have gotten through my fair share of disturbing imagery, which is true. All I need is a bottle of water in case I get lightheaded. Usually that works. If I get lightheaded after watching some disturbing crap, I just drink the bottle, and after 5 minutes of feeling like complete shit, then I feel better. But thankfully that did not happen during this film. Thank God. My biggest worry after reading the book was not actually who was going to play Louis, although that question was still very much there. My worry was who was going to play the bird. The bird is a very important character in the story. He tortures Louis mentally and physically throughout his time in prison, and then especially when he leaves prison, he's there in his mind the entire time. He tortures Louis. All he can think about is the bird, the bird, the bird. Jolie took a huge risk in casting a non-actor for that part, but I think she made her selection pretty well. The actor is good, and the cast in general is very talented, and Jack O'Connell as Louis is great. The movie as a whole does its job in being respectful to what happened to Louis. We jump back and forth between his youth and when he's at war. Not everything in the book is covered, obviously, but what is covered is told with passion and the right intentions. When I learned that Jolie was directing this, I got very excited because I loved her directorial debut, and that was also a war story. The violence in this film is a lot more brutal than it was in her first movie, but thankfully she does not indulge in drawing it out. And some people would have, but she doesn't, thankfully. Where I think the film could have improved is the editing and presentation of Louis' pre-war life. Structurally, his growing up is shown via flashbacks, which works fine, but those parts go by faster than I expected. His Olympic background isn't covered in much depth, and personally, I wanted more of that. Concerning the editing, the film doesn't feel horribly long, with the pacing definitely could have been much tighter during both action and dialogue scenes. As it is now, momentum in the story wasn't consistent. All in all, though, I did enjoy this adaptation, and I look forward to Jolie's next film, By the Sea. I give Unbroken 3 out of 5 stars. Thank you very much for your time. Have an awesome day.